Okay, Word Chapter 8, Module 8, Case Problem Number 1. Okay, open 8-4. This is a template, so open this 8-4. And then save. Okay, go to the File tab, Save As. Okay, this PC. And then we're gonna save this one into another template. So go to your student data, your working folder. Right now, let's change the save as type. The save as type has to be macro enabled. The word macro enabled template. And the file name is realty. Alright, save it. Well, look at this. Okay, you have to check the path of your folder, working folder. So mine is different. So make sure go to your working folder again, and then save the file as realty. Make sure the folder name is your working folder. Okay, working folder. Save. Alright, so this is a template, DOTM, the macro enabled template. Okay, copy Franklin, realty, and web address quick parts from template. Okay, realty style. So open realty style in your data files folder. Okay, case 1. So we're gonna copy two things from here. So click the insert tab, and then click this quick parts. Okay, actually we will copy these two. So click the building block organizer. Okay, let's search for, okay, click the name so that the name is in ascending order. So from this, let's find the, okay, Franklin, press F, Franklin realty, right? Franklin realty. So click this and then edit property. So I'm gonna save this one in the building blocks. Save it in the building blocks. Okay, and then let's find another one. Web address, quick part, web address. So click W, then it will automatically go to the W part. So web address, select web address and then edit properties. So also save this one in building blocks. Okay. And then close. Alright, so we just copied it to the building block. Edit the properties of this to include the letterhead. Alright. So from here, okay, wait a minute. Okay, we need to edit it. So okay, let's do it again. Okay, from this quick part, building blocks. Okay, we need to edit the Franklin realty. So go to the Franklin. Where's Franklin? Okay, edit again, edit. This one is in the building blocks, right? Building blocks. So we want to change the description. So write down type letterhead in the description. Make sure this is the save in is building blocks. And then the web address. So click here and then W. So web address. The description is website. And then the save in is building blocks. Okay. Click OK. Now, number 3. So now click this realty. Okay, insert Franklin realty at the beginning of the document. So click the beginning of the document here, and then insert quick part. Here is the Franklin realty. Right? Franklin realty. Click this. Okay. And then after the phone number, here's the phone number. Press enter. And then we're going to insert web address. So insert quick part, web address is this one. So click this. Okay, if there's a blank, so if there's a blank here, then delete. So insert the rectangle, that is, okay, so I want to insert the rectangle. So click the shape arrow, rectangle, draw a rectangle, something like this. And then the size will be, height is 1.3 inches, tab key, 6.5 inches width, enter. Then remove the fill from the rectangle. So shape fill is no fill, right? No fill. And then change the color of the shape outline. Shape outline is white background. Dark one, white background, dark one, 50%. 50% is the bottom one. Okay. Then change the weight of the shape outline to 6 points. So click the shape outline. The weight is 6 points. Okay, now apply the round bevel effect. So click the shape effect, bevel arrow, and this should be the round. Okay, round. So click this one. Alright. And then change the width. Okay, next. Okay, align the rectangle with the center and the top of the page. The center and top of the page, something like this, right? Or you can try this. The center top. You may try this. The position is where? Center top, like this. But if you do this, then this should go inside this box. So if it looks like this, so once you select this, then we have to change the wrap text to in front of the text. So why don't we just move this one a little bit up, so this one goes inside. Okay, like this. Okay, now align the rectangle. Okay, now change the left indent of the paragraph inserted in this one. So we will change, so select these three. Okay, select these 3 lines. I selected everything. Okay, so okay, click these 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click up to here, and then we can change the indent. So click the indent. Move this one to 25, 0.25 over here. Move it to the 0.5. So these 5 lines are lined, the indent is 0.25 inches. Again, the paragraph content. So the space before the paragraph. So click the first line, and then paragraph. Before spacing is what? 18. So we have more space like this. So move this one a little bit down. Okay, now copy the style from the template. Style. Okay. So go to open realty style. So realty style is this one, right? This one was the realty style, right? So from this, click the home tab. We have a form heading. So we want to copy this form heading into our realty template. So click the Styles dialog box launcher and then manage style. Click this button and then scroll a little bit up. Then we have a form heading, right? Form heading. So we're gonna export form heading to the right. So this form heading is now included in this normal.dotm file. So close, and then open our realty document template. Okay, so we can click the body of this document, then click the Styles dialog box launcher. So from this manage styles dialog box, we can import, right? Import. So import the form heading to our current document. So copy to the left, right? And then since we copied it into our current document, we don't need this form heading. So delete this form heading on the right side. Yes. Close. Okay. So we have a form heading, right? Form heading. Okay, apply this style to the text housing preference. So select this housing preference and click this form heading. And now add your name as the author property. So go to the File tab, Info, Author. So this one is your name, right? So why don't we go to the properties? Wait a minute, author property. So go to the advanced property, and author is your name. On the info section background stage, right click the OK. And then we don't have this name, so never mind. And then remove person, insert author property as the content in the agent. So this one is okay, good. So go to the main body. So in this agent, next to the agent, we will insert the author property here. So insert. So click insert, and we want to insert the document property, right? Document property, that is author. So your name is included here. Okay, in the blank paragraph name, insert the current date as the field that gets date. Wait a minute. Here. Okay, here. So make sure your cursor is above this name. And then we want to insert date field. So click the insert tab. Here is the date. Insert the date. So the date is 3. So which one comes first? This is day, month, year. Do we have a day, month, year? Day, month, year. Day. No, we don't have day, month. We don't have a day, month here. So why don't we just click this one first and then update? Get this one. Click this and then right click, edit the field. So okay, the day comes first, and so this one comes later. So why don't you get MMM, right? MMM, that is month. So Control Z. Okay, we want to change this one. So MMM, right? MMM. So delete it. So D space MMM, and then year is YY. So day, month, year. So we have this one, right? Okay, below the paragraph containing phone. Okay, where is it? Phone, where's the phone? Here. So click the phone, and then we're gonna add a double line border. So make sure to click this one, and then insert home tab, border, arrow, click the border and shading, custom, double line. So scroll down the style, select double line, and the size is 1.5, 1.5, and the double line should be at the bottom of this paragraph. And then option will be the bottom. Okay, the space between bottom, the line, and the paragraph is 12 points. And then OK. So make sure you select this double line, 1.5 points, and then select this one, the bottom. Okay, so we just inserted a double line. Okay, next, each of the paragraph below, okay, fill in field. We're going to insert fill in field. And then do not preserve for Mary. Okay, client name. So click the client name. Okay, insert. Okay, we're going to do this, repeat this one. So click quick part, field, and then the name is wait a minute. Okay, go to the building organizer. Okay, so name and then quick part field. So from here, the name is fill in. So scroll down, select fill in, and the prompt is client name. Client name, disable, preserve, and OK. And press OK. And address, the same. Address is quick part field, select fill in, and then prompt is client address, deselect, preserve, OK, OK, phone. Okay, you do the same thing. Just follow the instruction, field, and then fill in. Keep repeating this. The phone is client phone, disable, OK, OK, type. Here, field, fill in. The type is house or condo. Disable, preserve. Okay, and then the number of bedrooms. Fill in. Number of bedrooms. The number of bedrooms. Okay, and the garage. Quick part field, fill in. The garage required. Then air, central air conditioner, fill in. Okay, so central air required. Then two more. We have two more. Fill in. Okay, that is finished. Basement required. And then the last one, fireplace. Okay, fireplace required. All right, so we just added, fill in field. Okay, now add the custom text, original diagonal. So we want to add watermark here. So go to the view tab. Watermark is in the design tab. Watermark. Okay, we don't have a sample, original sample. So click the custom watermark. Okay, we want to do the custom watermark. So click the text watermark. The text will be original, and then there should be a diagonal. Your diagonal, right? And then okay. So we just inserted watermark original diagonally on this page. Okay, record the macro. So we want to record the macro. So click the View tab, macro arrow, record macro. The macro name is insert footer, and insert Franklin Realty Group as a footer. So we're gonna insert this one in the footer, and the description is insert Franklin Realty Group as a footer, and then the keyboard is Y. Okay, this is Franklin insert footer. Okay, and we will insert this one at the bottom here, and then the keyboard, Control Alt Shift C, and then assign. Okay, close. Alright, so now at the bottom, okay, insert Franklin Realty Group as a footer. So scroll down this one and then double click the footer and then type Franklin Realty Group. Okay, now we are recording a macro. So as a part of macro, center this footer. So center this one. So click the Home tab. Click Center Align. And then format the text as Arial. So select this. And then the font type is Arial. Okay, and then apply the middle stylistic set. So that is in the text effect, the bottom style set arrow. We will select the middle one, this one. Okay. Okay, and then alright, save the template and then create a new document. Okay, so we are done for this macro, and then stop, and then double click the main body. So we just create a macro that enters these letters in the center in the footer center aligned like this. Okay, save the template and then create a new document based on the template. So we're going to create a new document. So File tab, new. Okay, so why don't we just double click this? Double click this realty. Okay, in your working folder, click this realty. Then this will create new document. So it is asking for us to fill in the field information. Okay, so from this, okay, client name is your name. Type your name. Okay, and the address. Okay, the address is 123 Main Street, Franklin, Massachusetts 02038. Okay, and the phone number is 555-0198, and then the others is as you wish. So house, condo, okay, house, a number of bedrooms, okay, let's make it 3 or 4, whatever you want. And then garage required, yes or no. And then the central air conditioner required, yes or no. And the basement required, finished basement required, yes or no. And then fireplace, side pan, we don't need it, right? So no. Okay, so all this information is filled in these lines. Okay, now change the macro settings back to the original setting. Okay, this one's already included. Okay, now close and open document. Oh, wait a minute, we should have closed this. We should have delete this one in the template so that we can try. Okay, let me try this. Okay, delete, and then hold down the control key, Alt, Shift, and C. So we have this one, right? But undo. Let's undo it. Okay, so file, save it as, just save it as realty test. So go to your student data files, your working folder, right? Working folder. Save it as realty test. Okay, done.